Hello bachcho, let us read the question. A rod of weight W is supported by two parallel knife edges A and B and is in equilibrium in horizontal position. The knives are at a distance D from each other. The center of mass of the rod is at a distance x from A. The normal reaction on A is dash and on B is dash. तो इस क्वेश्चन का की कॉन्सेप्ट है key concept of this question is particle in equilibrium या फिर body in equilibrium, object in equilibrium, all of them are equivalent. तो जब भी कोई object particle equilibrium पे होता है, what does equilibrium mean? अगर all external torques and forces, external forces and torques acting on the system is zero, तब हम कहते हैं कि the system या particle it's in equilibrium. So if all the external forces are zero, तब इसको हम कहते हैं translational equilibrium. और जब all the torques are external torques are zero, तो इसको हम कहते हैं rotational equilibrium. तो अभी यहाँ पे इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने के लिए हम एक डायग्राम डालेंगे and then see what should be the normal reaction on A and on B. ये है the rod. तो rod पे the rod which is acting downwards is W. तो अभी हम ये देख रहे हैं कि what is difference between, so the distance between the center of the mass, center of mass of the rod and A is x. So distance between center of mass of the rod and A. So that they have given as x. तो दूसरे ये डिटेल दिए हैं कि डिस्टेंस बिटवीन A and B, the two knife edges, ये D है. So therefore you can say distance between center of mass of the rod, center of mass and B, तो हम उसको D minus x लिख सकते हैं. अभी इस प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करने के लिए हम लेंगे N1 to be the normal force on A, normal reaction force on A, and हम लेंगे N2 as the normal reaction force on B. तो अभी from the force equation, therefore we can say N1 plus N2 is equal to W. तो ये है balancing of the forces. तो अभी balancing of the torques को भी लिखेंगे. So we'll call this equation 1. So the torque का balancing equation है, we have N1 into D, because the distance between the two knife edges is D. तो यहाँ का torque will be the force multiplied by the perpendicular distance minus, तो अभी the remaining torque has to be balanced by this first torque. तो वो होगा the weight which is acting downwards into d minus x, and this has to be equal to 0. ये है equation 2. तो from equation 2 हम ये लिख सकते हैं कि N1 is equal to W into d minus x divided by d. So from now, from using the value of N1 जो यहाँ पे है, हम अभी N2 का वैल्यू कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं. So therefore therefore 1 is now written as ये N1 का वैल्यू हमें मिला W into d minus x divided by d plus N2 is equal to W. तो अभी हम N2 को लिख सकते हैं W into 1 minus d minus x divided by d. So therefore we can say N2 will be W into d minus d plus x divided by d. तो यहाँ पे d और d cancel होता है. So we will get N2 as W x divided by d. तो अभी हम लिखेंगे the normal reaction force on A is W into d minus x divided by d, and the normal reaction force on B is W x divided by d. Hope you have understood it well. Best of luck.